Hi Eka, I was scrolling through social media this morning and I saw a post about a guy being praised just for doing the dishes. It made me think why it's still surprising to people when a man does basic household chores.
I know, right? It's like we are still stuck in this mindset where people think men are doing something extraordinary just because they help around the house. Meanwhile, women have been doing this for centuries without even being acknowledged.
Exactly. I mean, we live in the 21st century. Why should cooking or washing clothes still be labeled as a woman job? It's just part of daily life and honestly should be everyone's responsibility.
Help take care of these needs.
It's funny too. When a woman says she wants a man who can cook or clean, some people will say she's being too demanding. But why is that demanding? Isn't that just asking for basic adulting?
I think it's because so many people were raising to think that women should naturally be more nurturing or domestic, well,
Totally
men
fine.
are supposed
And then if a man does just
to
one thing
focus
like
only
takes the baby for a
on
walk, he
providing
gets
money,
prized like a
but that
hero.
mindset
While women
completely
are
ignores
expected to do
emotional
them
and
things
domestic
at
problems.
once and still smile.
You're so right. I've seen so many women who work full-time jobs just like their husband or partner and still come home and do all the housework. It's exhausting and honestly not fair. That double standard is real. I think what bothers me most is that these expectations are still passed down to younger generation. Like little boys aren't taught to do chores the way girls are.
Yes, and that's why I think change needs to start from home. If we teach boys and girls the same life skill from a young age, they grow up seeing equality as normal. It shouldn't be revolutionary for a man to mop the floor or cook dinner.
I couldn't agree more. And honestly, a man who knows how to cook or babysit just show me that he's responsible, caring, and doesn't see woman as his servant. That's incredibly attractive.
Same here, I find emotional intelligence and domestic responsibility way more applying than just a big paycheck because at the end of the day we are building a partnership, not a hiring a maid.
Yes, and if both people work hard outside the home, it's only fair that they both contribute inside the home too. Otherwise, one person ends up being overburdened, usually the woman.
And that leads to burnout, resentment, and even relationship issue. Honestly, sharing housework is a small act, but it can have a huge impact on the emotional health of a couple or family.
Completely, I remember my friends once said, love isn't just about saying sweet things, it's about washing dishes without being asked. That stuck with me.
That's so true. Action speak louder than words, and nothing shows respect like actually helping with everyday responsibilities instead of just assuming someone else will do it.
So, do you think the media has helped or hurt this situation because sometimes I feel like TV shows or ads still push that stereotype of the clueless dad and the overworked mom.
Oh, definitely. Well, some ads and movies are more progressive now. There are still too many that makes it look like men can do anything at home without messing it up or needing guidance that reinforces the stereotype instead of breaking it.
And that's affect real life. I've seen guys love and say, I don't even know how to laundry. Like it's cute, but it's not cute. It's irresponsible, especially if they expect to live with someone someday.
Yes, it's not a personality trait to be helpless. It's a choice. And choosing not to learn how to care yourself and your environment shouldn't be rewarded.
I feel like conversations like this are important because even among women, some still believe that men shouldn't lower themselves to do domestic work. That's internalized patriarchy.
True, and we need to support each other in changing that mindset. Empowering women also means empowering men to be better partners and parents, not just better earners.
Totally, my hope is that more women will start speaking up and expecting equality not just in the workplace but also at home. That's where real change begins.
Same here. When we raise soon, Nepals or students, we need to teach them that being kind, helpful, and domestic is unmanly. It's a human.
I love that. And it's not about making men feel bad, it's about asking them to step up and be real partners in every aspect of life.
Exactly. Because equality doesn't mean women doing it all. It means everyone doing their share, whether it's at work or at home.
And honestly, I'd rather have a man who makes dinner with me, folds laundry with me, and raises children with me than someone who just earns money and expect everything else to magically be done.
I'm into that. Real partnership is about empathy, effort, and mutual respect, and that includes doing the dishes.
So, I guess we agree men doing housework isn't just okay. It's essential for a healthy and happy relationship.
Absolutely. It's time we normalize that and celebrate it not as a surprise but as the bare minimum of being